Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I hope you just watched my coffee. But guess what? We're doing a Dollar Tree haul now. I told you about it, I kind of teased you. So here it is. I've got 5 different bags. So I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in forever. So let's go ahead and see everything that I got. Okay, first things first, I got these little Biscoffs. First of all, they're a tasty cookie. You can buy them in packs at the regular stores like Costco and stuff, but these are individually wrapped, and I've been looking for these. And I did find them on Amazon, but it was expensive, and you have to, only because you have to buy like 200. But these are just little, how many are in there? 6 of them. So they're perfect for a little stamp project that I want to do. I picked up a light bulb because I need a new light bulb in the office. I picked up some little cups. They're to-go cups. I'm having some visitors over, and so I thought I'd give them their own cup. So we've got that. And that one, it says, "See you a latte." I have not seen this. It's a little hand crank spin art. I used to love our school carnivals because they had spin art where you just squeezed. And you guys know I have pour paint, so we'll see what happens there. And then I picked up a bag of potting soil. Why? Because I'm growing basil, and it's running out of room, so I need to put it in a bigger pot. So I picked up 2 of the brushes. You guys, I love these brushes. They are so great. So which one? The large concealer and the large eyeshadow. I use them both for eyeshadow. So we'll see. I am so like not the makeup artist. I mean, I have no makeup on right now. I picked up a whole bag. This is all, everything in this bag are these. They're the collapsible storage containers. So they look white, but then look, they're kind of cream. So make sure you check that, because I wanted white, but I'm gonna see how the cream looks in those, you know, those cube things. You can see one right there, right there. We'll see how that works. And I said that was the only thing in there, but I also found some wood glue. I have a door that's not hanging down. I know, do you guys want to hear all my life story? Not only am I going to tell you what I bought, but I'm going to tell you why I bought it. So, all right. Anyways, my door wasn't working, so it came off the hinges. So I'm gonna put some wood glue and like some toothpicks and stuff in there and try and give it a flat surface. We'll see how that works. This is a fun basket. We got some eyeglasses. $1. Those will be good for Hawaii, right? I also got this cute, look at this. Is that cute? I'm gonna put it on right now. Look how cute that is. Super adorable. You guys, it's only $1. I love it. I also grabbed this guy. It is concrete, and it's got a little color, little gold thing there. I guess it's brass, right? But I want to do something with that. I was looking for a laundry sign. I didn't find one, but I found this one that says wash, fold, dry, repeat. I thought that was cute, especially with the little laundry baskets. They're removable, so I thought I'd put them on my washer and dryer. We'll see how that turns out. Again, I have some guests coming over. When I have guests, I like to make them a little welcome basket. So with some snacks, some water, their own coffee cups, for the Keurig. And then I got some of these. I thought these would be great little Snyders of Hanover pretzels. They're little mini bags. What else do I have here? Oh, okay. So I had that cup. So there's going to be 2 people coming. And it's a 2-pack, right? So that's the first one. And then this one says Rise with the Tide. So I got them 2. They'll get 1 of each. That way they can tell the difference of whose cup is whose, rather than having 2 of the Sia lattes or 2 of the Rise with the Tide. So I thought that was a good idea to get them 2. This is something that I haven't seen. Look it. It's a little bingo thing. You guys know, for those of you who stamp with me know I play bingo. I probably won't use this because it is probably going to be a pain in the butt and lose the pieces. But I thought it was just so cute and a fun little prop, so I did grab that. I also saw this, hadn't seen that before. I'm assuming it's a little light that says way to go. I'm gonna probably take that way to go off and do something different with it. So, DIYs maybe. To get myself in the mood, I've got some Himalayan salt and citrus. No, not Himalayan. I went to Peru in my thoughts. Hawaiian. I don't know where the Himalayans are. Now that I'm thinking about it, I just know that we got, when I was in Peru, we got some Himalayan salt, so. But no, this is not Peru, this is Hawaii. I'm getting myself prepared for Hawaii. You guys, we're in May. That means it's coming up quickly. 14 more days, 2 weeks. I grabbed a couple of these foundation brushes. Those are always neat, but I use those for blending ink. And what do we have in the last bag? Oh my gosh, okay. So I picked up some batteries. I picked up some other batteries. Where are they? Oh, here we go. Some more batteries. I got both sizes. I picked up, if you've received any items from me, I always use these shipping labels. So I picked up 2 packets of those. I'm saving the best for last. So, okay, I picked up 2 of these. They're sponge holders. They go on your sink. I put them on my mirror. So in my bathroom, in my dressing area, I have a big, huge mirror. So I put these on the mirror, and then it holds my toothpaste in there. And then also, I love these little headbands. Oh! Do I have hair sticking out now? I do. I'll put this back on in just a minute. I'll just go this way. Anyways, I take these, and now I have a spot for my little headbands to hang on as well. So it works really nicely, especially for my big, long, you know, the wrappy ones. So I'm gonna put this back for my hair. Holds it in place. So I grabbed 2 of those, and then I thought this was so cute. This says cook, eat, and be happy with the little strainer. Isn't that cute? I love the colors. I have some red in my kitchen. So my kitchen's very eclectic, so I have every color. And then this is the last one, you guys. Do you know what it is? You put it on your face and it's supposed to pull out hairs. We're gonna try it. I saw somebody, you guys, do you remember the Epiladies? My mom wanted an Epilady so badly. She kept saying to my dad, I'd like an Epilady for Christmas. I'd like an Epilady for my birthday. Epilady, Epilady. She got the Epilady. She tried it like on her, ooh, she did exactly that. She tried it on her arm, And as soon as it pulled out, now that Epilady was like $90, but as soon as it hit, she took it and flung it across the room. It was hilarious. We still talk about the Epilady experience. It was never used again, except for fun. So, you guys, oh my goodness. Here we go. You're supposed to take this. Oh, and you realize, oh, I am hairy. I am hairy. They work. Don't go using them on your eyebrows. They work. I didn't know. Oh, I have hairs all over my face. You didn't even know. Let's see. Oh, I have a mustache. You guys, they sell these at Target for like $12. And so they have them here for only $1. I know, right? Now I have to go and do. If my husband gets out of, oh, I guess I'm not that hairy. Oh, maybe it's only going up. Yeah, you can feel it. Holy smokes. Trying to look if there's any hairs. All right, that was my fun part for last. Did I show you this? I did not. I'm gonna do a cute DIY with this. So, all right, beauties, thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what your favorite item is. What's my favorite item? Oh gosh, you guys, I hit my lip and, I'm gonna call this my favorite item. I'm gonna buy them for all my friends. Just kidding. So, oh my gosh, so there we go. All right, have a wonderful day. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Bye.